Hello friends, welcome to Customate Works channel guys. I hope you like my channel. In this channel, you will get to know the best amazing works videos. Engineering works, mechanical videos, machining works, maintenance works, assembly tips videos, electrician tips, amazing skills, different tips of things. So please, watch the video and comment and subscribe to my channel so my new videos can reach you. Subscribe, comment and like our channel for watching engineer work videos. Today I have brought a new video for you. How to do machining on heavy plate of hand modeling machine. Let's start the video on lathe machine, how the work process is done. Start this video, watch.
अरे ये तो साइड है ऊपर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है